I realized I didn't give you an update on how the teeth cleaning went. So what I did was I did an x-ray of my teeth, and then I did the cleaning, and then I had 2 fillings. That wasn't the plan, but then the lady suggested that I do it because there was something wrong with my teeth. But here's a quick review of the whole process. What I realized is that my teeth feels really clean. So it's been 2 days. It's been 2 days. Oh shit. 2 days after the cleaning, and my mouth is still a little bit sore, and my teeth feels really clean. So I'll definitely recommend. I'm supposed to go back on 19th. Like, I'm supposed to go back for them to do, what did they even say they were going to do? I've forgotten. But yeah, I'm supposed to go back. But I think cleaning your teeth really does makes a difference. And she said I have to be doing it every 4 months or every 6 months, depending on what I can afford. So there's that one as well. So if you haven't cleaned your teeth before, please go and clean your teeth, okay? Because I brush my teeth morning and evening, and then I floss. But this lady was like, oh, I can tell that I haven't been flossing. I'm like, what? I floss. Johnny, but you know, sometimes you think you're doing the right thing, but probably you're not doing it well, or you need to get a professional to do it for you every once in a while. So that's it. And a quick bum update. This is how we are looking like. Yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions on replay. Sitting right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. It's away. Really want, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you.
Himalayan salt stone. So people said it's soothing and activating properties, and then they put the light in somehow. So just be careful, use the way to no, don't put it on top.
Put this on the car seat.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
So you just, oh, it's so soft.
So you see, because they are newborn, they are heavily fitting to this one. Or even if it doesn't, you use the other one.
Yeah.
So we'll take this with us
To the hospital.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. So this is the Himalayan salt lamp. I didn't think this will be heavy, but it's heavy. So you get it to work by plugging it in. I think I'll show you guys how this one works later, because right now I'll insert clips of how it looks when it's plugged in. Okay. Maybe you said it has some health benefits as well, right?
I'll send it to you.
Okay. Hey.
You can adjust the glow.
You can adjust the glow
Yeah, this is the
at the
highest.
top.
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't want it to be too high. Get some orange glow. Taste it to see if it's the actual salt.
It looks mysterious. Like
This
a
is
mystic,
cut from
a mystic piece.
It's cut from the Himalayan salt.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so all the baby bottles are washed now and ready to dry.
So this is when we are bathing and we put them in this one.
Yeah.
So this, they'll go on. So I saw some woman washing them. Their leg will be in the water.
And they'll be on top here. And what is that clip on it now?
So secure them.
You clip the baby.
Yeah, so they don't move around. So comfortable.
Wow. This whole world there is babies who are enjoying, I'm telling you.
So I think where would the head? I think this is the head, right? No, this is the head. Which one is the head?
This is the head because see the ear,
Let's check this.
the ear thing there.
The ear here. So
Yeah.
the head will go here.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you secure them with this. How do you secure this? You are looking at the wrong place, wait, which is the front and which is the back?
Let's look at the manhole.
You do this like this. And then when you leave it,
You do it.
when you squeeze, you push it. And
So
then
it's also, you
when
put
you
it
leave,
in the,
when you leave it in the water, it
okay, something to distract.
But you have to go to YouTube and check it. Because every time there are too many things. And there's some, this one I don't even know what it is.
Just for a pop.
This one I don't even know what this is. But I think it goes on one of these things. It's an extra. The thing
Like
they
if
put, yeah.
the head is too
They
big.
say 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So it's extra this. But I'm thinking,
Hey, too many playthings.
I want to check these two.
This is so cute. Even me, I want to play with it at my big age. So the thing with baby stuff is, the moment like you think you are done buying, you check and then you realize that there's still something that you need to get, like petty tiny little things that you need to get. Babies are so cute, but they come with a lot of items. So as part of my nesting and preparation, I got this basket. I got this at the dollar store to put her toys inside. I want to make sure that everything is organized and at one particular station so that it's not all over the place. So the toys that I got, that we got here, everything will fit into this. Okay, I think it's super cute, and it can also serve as a decor piece. So I got this yesterday. This is how this will be the finished look after I put everything inside, and it was only $4.50. And then I got a thermometer This is very important because you need to always monitor the temperature of your baby. And this one actually has 3 uses. You can use it on the forehead, you can use it in the baby's ear, and you can also use it to check the temperature of the milk before you give it to baby. So that is it over here. I got this one at Walmart. And then I also got the hospital said you need to have hand sanitizers. Actually, they said you should have hand sanitizer in your hospital bag so that you can always sanitize your hands before you hold your baby. So I got about 2 of this. It will go in my hospital bag. Meanwhile, I've already filmed what I have in my hospital bag, so maybe I need to do some editing and then I can add whatever needs to be added. And then I got this baby tooth and gum cleaner. Babies don't come with teeth, but you still have to make sure that their gums and their tongue is clean. And this one, it says that it's not harmful even if the baby should swallow it or eat it. So I'll just find out when it's appropriate to use this, because you don't want to overdo. Oh, and then I also found this cute little toy. It looks like a toy, but it's actually something that will help you check the temperature of the water in case the water is too hot. So it has this. Let me take it out. Oh, so it has this at the bottom. When you put it in the bathtub, they will let you know if it's too hot or if it's too. It will just help you gauge the temperature of the water so you don't burn your baby. And the baby can also play with it. It will distract the baby as you bath them, you know. It's so cute and very colorful. And, you know, babies love bright colors, so the yellow is just a vibe, you know. When I was thinking of how to bath baby, I was always wondering, how do you tell if the water is too hot or too cold? Like, how do you get the right temperature? So it was very interesting when my husband brought this home yesterday, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. It's like they have something for everything you can think of. They have something for it. So that is it for today's baby haul. If anything comes up, I will surely let you guys know. Oh, and then I also got a marker. I got this wooden pad where you write the baby's name, their date of birth, their weight, their height, and their length, and all of that stuff. If you don't get the right kind of ink to write on it, it will bleed. So I got this at the dollar store that we'll be using to write. And yeah, I also got a lot of toys. So all of these toys, I want to wash them first, because, you know, babies love to put everything they come across in their mouth. So even if the item is clean, you still have to wash it. So so far so good. And then I got this container. This is where I'll be washing the baby's bottle as well. So basically we are all set. Hopefully we are set. Because the moment you think you are set, then you realize that no, there's one more thing, and there's another thing, and there's another stuff. So that's it for today's haul. Going for our last African grocery shopping. Grocery shopping before baby comes, so we can meal prep.
need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, babe.
At this point.
Oh, I see. The last time we found it, yeah.
Guys, guess what I saw? Pura and Burkina by Halia Fati.
So I can put it.
So, is it new?
No, she said it for almost 1 year.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. So, is it going back now?
Yeah, it is. At least I've had people who want to work with me, so
You have to be consistent.
that's what they
At the
said.
beginning, it's with 12, but don't anything you do in life. The issue is consistency.
Yeah.
I know it's challenging, but we can hold on. Look at the stuff.
It's fine.
The store, the first 2 years, I regret stuff. I'm like, what are we even thinking? We almost like shut up. But when after like when we got in your day and your night and your dream, it's not business.
Possible.
Yeah.
So when you go through that, the point to stabilize, you get used to it. You now begin to think about how to grow. You know, so naturally, just hold on to it.
Amen.
This one here, you made
Guys, this small shopping on 135. I'm not sure if I'm going to end this vlog here, but if I happen to end it here, thank you so much for watching. So today is, I think, almost 38 weeks, and the shortness of breath has still not reduced. I thought they said that it will reduce at some point. It hasn't reduced. I'm still struggling to breathe. And what else? The heartburns as well, and the acid reflux and the burping. Oh, but yeah, we're going to finish this journey strong. I think I should be bouncing on the ball like I see people do online. I don't know if that really makes a difference. If it does, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Yeah.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said